A tale of two markets. Wall Street hits record highs while tech trembles. It's Wednesday, the 12th of November, and this is what you need to know. Could it finally be the day that the longest government shutdown in US history finally ends? The House votes today, and if it approves, it goes straight to President Trump, who has already said he will sign it. Once agencies reopen, investors are bracing for a flood of delayed data, and they got a preview yesterday. ADP numbers showed the jobs market losing a bit of steam in late October, with companies cutting 11,250 jobs per week. Goldman Sachs thinks that payrolls dropped around 50,000 last month, and traders are already raising their bets the Fed will have to cut next month. That sent the Dow to a record close, but the Nasdaq slipped as AI bubble fears are proving hard to shake. Over in Tokyo, shares of SoftBank tumbled as much as 10% overnight after its exit from AI chipmaker Nvidia rattled already nervous investors. The tech giant has been one of the biggest winners from the AI boom, but sky-high valuations are starting to look a little shaky. But it wasn't all doom and gloom for tech. Just look at our stock of the day, AMD. Nvidia's closest rival in the AI space expects sales to accelerate over the next 5 years, powered by booming demand for its data center products. The company expects annual revenue to grow at more than 35% on average. The IEA is softening its tone on when oil demand might peak. Its latest report brings back a scenario where global consumption keeps rising through to 2050. That's a sharp contrast to last year, when all three IEA scenarios predicted that demand would fall this decade. It's a second shift in tone from the agency recently, and sets the stage for OPEC's own monthly report later today. Let's take a look at currencies, and the yen's renewed weakness is rattling investors. The Japanese currency slid to a 9-month low overnight, edging closer to that key 155 versus the dollar level, the point where authorities last stepped in to prop it up. Japan's finance minister issued a fresh warning over the recent declines, fueled by the rise of Sanae Takaichi as the country's new leader. And that's what you need to know this morning.